morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I'd like to talk about last night first. Since I didn't cook, Robin and I went out on a date. It was our anniversary. We went to Woodland, California, to a very fine spot for gourmet burgers. We both had the PB&J, which is, I don't know what the P stands for. Oh, peanut butter, B burger, and J jalapeno. There was discussion in the group a few weeks ago or so about burgers. This burger, it sounds gross and weird, but it is so good. The combination of the jalapeno and the peanut butter, try it. It's very good. We had a very nice time. Got a lot of talking done, because we had about a 40-minute drive, 45 minutes. We had a nice time. We had a real nice time. Yesterday, because I didn't cook dinner, I decided to bake. Since I quit drinking, today is day 32. 32 days without a drink. Yeah. My sweet tooth has kind of kicked up. And they say that's part of the not drinking, is because alcohol has a lot of sugar in it. So I did. This is me and baking. I hate it. I did a brownie mix cookie. They're really good, super simple. I couldn't even screw these up. They're really tasty. I shared them with Robin, so she got to take some home to where she's staying. So a lot of fun. I will get the recipe up and post it. Today, by the way, my cold came back with a vengeance. Excuse me as I spit chance. My cold came back with a vengeance. Thank God that I am doing a corn chowder for dinner. This recipe this is a new corn chowder recipe for me. Let me show you what I got going on. Good old Dutch oven, my favorite Dutch oven. A couple leeks, white part only. Make sure if you cook with leeks and work with leeks that you clean them really well, because there's usually dirt and sand in them. It's just part of the growing process. Of course, there's corn. This is not all the corn. Rayleigh's Bel Air is having a sale on frozen veggies, so later on, I'll be getting some more frozen veggies to stock up in the freezer and for tonight's dinner. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper, chicken stock, 4 cups of it, some milk, celery, garlic, Parmesan cheese, butter, potatoes. I'm using Yukon Golds. I'm using a little bit of, they call for fresh thyme. I can't stand spending $4 or $5 on sprigs of stuff that I won't use more than once, that I have left over. So I'm using a ground thyme, and they're calling for a paprika for a garnish. The paprika is from the local spicery in Marysville, California. You can order it online or go to the stores, either in Marysville or Tiburon. Here's the cookies. Yes, they're in a bag. They're hard to see. They're really yummy. I added some white chocolate morsels to it. They kind of called out for chocolate, but I had white on hand, so I used what I had. And I already had the brownie mix. I'm tired. I've been up since 4. I got to bed really early. So, my body, whatever. So, on this Monday, let's call it Marvelous Monday. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.